Come on, come on, come on. Here we go.
I got one bullet left.
Trying to get there, bud. Oh.
There's 3 of them.
Shit.
I think there's 3 of them. Yeah, I just got pistols. One's on my body.
One's in this house right here beside me, Dave.
Oh, he's prone. Okay, Skippy McGee. Ooh, good shot
There's
from
one to the right.
God, the 1911 pisses me off how inaccurate it is.
There's no...
Shit. He's over
No,
here back
you gotta
on.
be kidding me.
Shit, I'm out of fucking ammo. I'm gonna get shot in the back. Gonna get shot in the back. Give me a fucking melee weapon.
Okay, that
There's
pistol.
nothing.
That pistol with 7.62 does nothing.
Woo! Something, bro.
Whew. I just popped the other guy in the head.
I'm running to the other houses over here trying to get some ammo. Man, I do not know.
Pushing me.
Oh, I finally get heat. One guy died. That's 2 teams.
No!
Shit.
Oh,
God damn it.
I'm coming back with 1 mag.
Bitch, you better hope you have enough bullets. He doesn't have enough bullets. He's trying to punch me in the butt. David,
Give him the
punch me in
slip.
butt.
Give him the slip.
Come on, Dave.
I'm coming. I can only run so fast.
He's trying to get that butt!
He knows you're coming.
You motherfucker. He knows I'm coming.
He looked the way you were going.
Fucking Christ.
Ooh!
God damn it.
Ooh!
Punch your hands off of me.
Ooh!